Seatbelt safety.
Seatbelts don't really help much, do they? So why bother?
Safety belts reduce the likelihood of serious injury by 50 percentile. Put it together, folks, 50%. And people wearing seatbelts are more in control of their vehicle in emergency situations, reducing the accidents. Now, isn't that just a beautiful world, ladies and gentlemen?
Well, all that makes sense. That's great. But it's me. I'll never be in a crash.
In your lifetime, the chances of being in an accident are greater than 8 out of 10. Now, the number of deaths per year by crashes are greater than a 727 slamming into the earth every day of the year. So, I ask of you, please, wear your seatbelt and drive smart. This is Officer Steve Raymond, volunteer sheriff. I'm out of here.
Seatbelt safety.